The importance of core strength for back health. Maintaining a strong and stable core is essential for overall health, particularly when it comes to supporting and protecting the back. The core muscles include more than just the visible six-pack abs. They also encompass the muscles around the abdomen, lower back, hips, and pelvis. These muscles work together to stabilize the spine and support the body during movement. When the core is strong, it reduces the risk of back pain and injury, improves posture, and enhances overall physical performance. Back pain is one of the most common health complaints worldwide, affecting people of all ages and lifestyles. A significant contributor to this widespread issue is a weak core. When core muscles are not strong enough to support the spine properly, the body compensates by placing additional strain on the back muscles and spinal structures. Over time, this imbalance can lead to poor posture, muscle fatigue, and even chronic back conditions such as herniated discs or sciatica. A strong core acts like a natural corset for the body. It stabilizes the torso during everyday activities such as walking, lifting, bending, and twisting. When these muscles are engaged and balanced, they distribute the forces of movement more evenly throughout the body, minimizing the pressure on the spine. This is especially important for individuals who perform repetitive motions or spend long hours sitting, as these habits can weaken the core and place and new stress on the lower back. Moreover, core strength is vital for maintaining proper posture. Poor posture, such as slouching or leaning forward while sitting or standing, is often the result of weak abdominal and back muscles. Over time, this can lead to muscle imbalances, spinal misalignment, and increased risk of back pain. Strengthening the core helps maintain the spine's natural curves and encourages an upright posture that reduces stress on the back and surrounding muscles. In addition to reducing back pain and improving posture, core strength also enhances balance and coordination. This is particularly important as we age, since a strong core helps prevent falls and supports the body during physical activity. Whether you're an athlete or simply enjoy recreational activities like hiking or gardening, a strong core can improve your performance and reduce the likelihood of injury. Fortunately, building core strength doesn't require intense workouts or specialized equipment. Simple exercises like planks, bridges, and abdominal crunches can be highly effective when done consistently. Activities like yoga and Pilates are also excellent for developing core stability and flexibility. In conclusion, core strength plays a crucial role in maintaining back health. It supports the spine, improves posture, reduces the risk of injury, and enhances overall movement and stability. Incorporating core strengthening exercises into your routine is a proactive way to prevent back pain. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.